Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by defining the domain. What objects and values matter? Start with a small example, JSON and extract properties. This gives concrete names and types. Once you map types and nested objects, declare which fields are required versus optional, and create 1-2 sample instances to validate assumptions. Make sure to note constraints like minimums, maximums, formats. These shape the schema and prevent guesswork later. Now you define each property precisely. Assign types, add enum sets or rejects patterns for strings, and set numeric limits. For nested structures, reference reusable definitions with $ref to avoid duplication. Once done, inline small objects for clarity. For arrays, specify item schemas and constraints like min items or unique items, and decide whether additional properties are allowed. Make sure to name definitions. Finish by validating several real or synthetic payloads against the schema. You will catch type mismatches and missing constraints quickly. Once validated, increment a version and document any breaking changes so consumers adjust. If validation fails, check common issues, wrong types, unexpected additional properties, or strict patterns. A key troubleshooting tip: when things fail, relax constraints selectively and revalidate stepwise to isolate the offending rule. This narrows the fix.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.